Hi, Nick Dogle with North State Law, where we safeguard your professional license so you can get back to business. So today we're going to talk about the North Carolina Board for Licensed Plumbers and HVAC. So the question is, how do you properly supervise employees as a licensed plumber in North Carolina? So, contrary to some other boards that are a little bit more stringent on supervision requirements, and I don't mean that in a negative way. I just mean that it is some boards will require a qualifier of the business to be the supervisor of an employee. What the Plumbing and HVAC board does, easy for me to say, is they allow somebody that is a licensed technician to supervise somebody else doing work, as long as that licensed technician is licensed under the qualifier for the company. Let me repeat that because that was a lot of license words. If you own let's say plumbing company, all right, ABC Plumbing, you're the qualifier, or maybe you got a couple qualifiers, all right? You can have some technicians, licensed technicians under your name, all right? They're gonna be your responsibility, all right? Those licensed technicians that are licensed under you and your company, they can supervise others. So it creates a situation where you can grow your business a little bit more because you're not having to bounce around from job to job to job to job and worrying about, am I spending enough time here supervising? Now, at the end of the day, if you do have employees, especially somebody that's your licensed technician that's under your company, they need to make sure that they're supervising correctly. And what that looks like is they need to make sure that the other employee is following proper protocol, policies and procedures of the company, following safety guidelines, making sure that they know how to properly install what they're doing. That's a big one. There's a lot of different companies. There's a lot of different makes and models of things. Make sure that when you have somebody going out to do an install or a repair, that they are knowledgeable of what type of model or what make or make and model of what they're putting in, that they know what they're doing basically. And not only that, the person actually doing the install, but the person supervising them knows what they're doing as well. Because at the end of the day, even though you have other people supervising, at the end of the day, it's your license that's going to be at risk if something happens. Okay, so if you got any questions on anything, please check out blogs on my website. It's northstatelawfirm.com. You can also give my office a call, 919-521-8810, and speak with a member of my staff for a free 15-minute discovery call. You can also check out the other videos I have on YouTube. So thank you all for keeping the water flowing and the AC and heating going. Appreciate y'all. Bye-bye.